Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, we seen how to insert a table and how to delete column, rows, these all things we seen. Today, in this class, we are going to see how to format a table. Okay, in this class, we are going to see how to format a table. Before going to see a format table, once again I am saying, what is a table? Table is a collection of rows. Okay, table is a collection of rows and columns. A table is a collection of rows and column, or table is a combination of rows and column. So this is a statement you should remember always. How to insert a table? There are total three methods are there. First method, an insert tab. Table option is there. In drop down arrow you can select. Else there is an insert table. You can choose this option. This is a two method. Else, sir, what is the third method then? Third method is you have to insert a new slide. Okay, whenever you are inserting new slide, in middle of the content, that slide content, here there will be a table option. You can choose from here also. This are the three methods to insert a table. Okay, and if you want to just right click. When you right click, you can able to see the delete rows column, or if you want to insert here also, way four methods are there total. Total there are four methods are there to insert rows and columns, to delete, modify and all. Now my dear, in this class we are going to see how we are going to format a table. Okay, first of all, if you want to format a table, if you see the menu bar, you will not get any option to format a table. If you want, you can check. Okay, you will not get any option to format a table. Sir, then how we can able to format? Very simple thing. First you should select the table. First you should click on the table. Now kindly notice the menu bar and title bar. When I click on the table tool option appear. Now it is appeared. If I didn't select table, it is disappeared. You cannot able to see any option. So if you want to format an image or picture or anything, first you should select the table. Now I select the table. Here you can able to see table tools. Yes. Now in table tool, when I select here, there are so many options are there. This all options are related to only the tables. Okay, this all options are related to only the tables. First of all, in our book they given table style. Okay, they given table style. 1 minute, my dear students. Okay, they given table style. So when we are seeing this table style, okay, there are so many styles are there. Green, blue, pink, green, violet. This all the table styles available. Okay, this all the table styles are available. You can choose any one style. Else, if you want more, here you can able to see the drop down. When you click once, okay, when you click once, you can able to see more. My dear, wait for once. 1 minute wait. Okay, here so many styles are there. You can choose any. Else, if you are going here, you can choose the style. So this all the styles available. Okay, this all the styles are available in PowerPoint. I just selected simple style. I am not going for more. If you want, you can able to see the changes. I am not selecting, just I am moving my mouse cursor. Okay, it is reflecting. Now shading. Okay, for the shading better I will select this color. Now next one is the shading. Now just click on the shading, you can able to see that particular cell where my mouse cursor is there. Actually my mouse cursor is blinking here, so you can able to see the shading. Sir, in case, okay, click the table shading. Now see entire table is selecting. Before the selected cell, but now when 4 arrow came, I selected this table. So shading came. So which color I am selecting? It is applying for entirely. That particular color is applying for entire table. Okay. So this is a shading. You should know. So after shading, applying border. My dear, applying border, you can able to see. Wait a while. Escape. Here is a border. Okay. Just we have to select the table. One click, same as usual. Now border. When I click border, there are so many styles are there. So diagonal, what will happen? See, in each table, diagonal is there. So I am saying border. So inside border, inside is there, but outside no border. And now outside border. Outside is, wait. So I'm going to select outside border. Now border is outside, inside there is no border. Or if you are going for the right, actually here is the border, my dear, but we cannot able to see. Okay. And diagonal down, diagonal up. Okay, this all are the things you should know in it. Now border color. If you want to go for border color, yes, of course, you can able to do. Okay, but that all things you're practical. Now effect. Table also we can able to do the effect. Okay, so here is a effect shadow. Here you can able to see the whenever I'm moving the table some effect it is showing. Okay, this is a shadow and reflection. Okay, okay, my dear. I think this is this all the options available in a table formatting tools. Okay, after this formatting tools, we are going to see aligning text. Okay, simple way. Whatever text you are typing, any text you may type from one table to another table. Now what will happen? We have to select all. Or if you want to apply for a particular cell, you have to select particular cell. Home tab, alignment is there. Center. If you are selecting entire cell, if you are clicking center, all together it comes center. If you want the left align, okay, here is the left align. If you want right align, right align. Okay, already you know the shortcut for center line control plus E, for left align control plus L, for right align control plus R. These are the shortcuts already you know. Okay, already I explained once to you. Okay, if you forget, please kindly learn the shortcuts. Okay, again once again I'm saying table is a combination of rows and column. Okay, table is a combination of rows and columns. Okay, next class we will learn about the chart. Okay, what is the chart, how we are going to insert the chart, what is the use of the chart. These all things we can see in the next class. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching.